Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C Pilgrim Serum. Gently press a pea-sized amount onto damp skin after cleansing, starting with cheeks, forehead, nose, and neck. Avoid the immediate eye area and any open wounds. Allow the serum to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before layering moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. Use nightly or every other day if you have sensitive skin, and adjust frequency based on tolerance and results. For best results, use vitamin C Pilgrim Serum in the morning to protect skin from environmental stressors and to boost daytime antioxidants. If you are new to vitamin C, start every other day to check for irritation and build tolerance slowly. Always follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to lock in benefits and prevent oxidation. Consistent daily use will help even tone, brighten dullness, and support skin resilience over time. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort, especially when you're pampering yourself post-skincare. It's a small treat that makes morning routines nicer. Check the description for the darn tough link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When layering skincare, apply vitamin C after cleansing and before heavier serums or moisturizers for optimal absorption. It pairs well with hydrating hyaluronic acid to maintain moisture without reducing effectiveness, and niacinamide can complement brightening when your skin tolerates both. Avoid mixing with strong exfoliating acids at the same time to prevent sensitivity. If unsure, alternate nights or consult product instructions to maintain a balanced routine and protect your skin barrier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.